when the Constitution of India became into effect. 26 January 1950. Replacing government, India acts on 1935. Governing documents of India, thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. President of India hosts the flag at Rajpath every year, which is followed by colorful parades showcasing the diversity of the country. Military powers and school children are held in different parts of the country. Prime Minister of India first lays a wreath at Amar JAWAN Jyoti at India Gate in memory of all members who gave up their life for the country. Freedom has not come easy because its sacrifices are freedom fighters. So never take it for granted.